Hey, what's up? This is Seb de la Web, and I'm back with another Flatsome tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to configure product pages, custom product pages, and assign them to a specific product category, and to make it the default setting for all your products. We have launched this new template called Tempo. We are very excited because it has a huge collection of our best designs integrated, and you can now buy it on Seb de la Web. And one of the nice things is that we have 3 different product page layouts that you can play with, even, test around, see which product page converts the best, and eventually make a conscious decision on which product page you will use. So we have 3 product pages. So this is the first one, the second one, and the third one. They're all quite the same, but they just have a little difference in terms of having unique selling points here. Here we have a black box. We have chosen here for a gallery on desktop to have the thumbnails below, and here it has a vertical layout. And the third one is even more visual, having like a sticky information on the left and having all the images on the right. Of course, on mobile, we're a little bit limited, but again, they all have their own unique elements and unique styling to it. So let me show you how we can assign this to different things. First of all, let me show you the easiest way to set up a product page to all your products throughout your whole web shop is by going to Flatsome Theme options and then go to WooCommerce and then click on product page. Takes a little time to load. Now we go inside the Flatsome Theme options, and here at the layout, the product layout, you can see that our product page number 1 is selected to be our default product layout. We have created these product pages inside the UX blocks. This is how it works in Flatsome. So if you want to see where those elements, those page layouts are, you need to go to WordPress, UX blocks, and here you can see that we have created the 3 product page layouts. A lot of people make the mistakes. They want to edit the product page layout through the UX blocks, and then they click on edit with UX builder. And then you don't see much because, as you can see, it tries to render all the important WooCommerce information that simply isn't available by default. You really need to go to the front end to see the actual data being loaded. So what I need to do is go to the web page. Let's go to a product page. And then what you need to do, because there's already a product page layout assigned to this specific product, then I need to go to Edit Product. And then I need to click on Edit Product Layout with UX Builder. And then you can modify all the elements inside the UX Builder, but also actually seeing the information that is pulled out the data of WooCommerce. So this tutorial is all about how to configure them at different locations. So the second one option that I want to show you is that you can also assign a specific product page layout to a product category. So maybe you're having certain products that are in the same category, and for those specifically, you want to have one specific layout. So what you need to do now is go back to WordPress. Go to WordPress. Go to products. Go to product categories. And here you can, for example, choose the product category sports. And then you can make a decision that all the products that are assigned to the product category sports needs to use the, for example, the product page 3. So in that case, if I now go to the product category sports, let's go. Then all these products are having the same layout, as you can see. So this one, this one, this one, this one. And this one not, and that's because this specific product has a specific product page layout assigned to this product. And how you can do this is by going into a product, by clicking Edit Product. You can also go, of course, to WooCommerce. So going to the back end. Going to WooCommerce, products. And then you can find all the products that you will have available in your shop. Choose one of the products. Scroll all the way down and try to find the product data. If you don't see this information, and probably you will see it, but sometimes it's hide, it's been hidden, you need to click on the screen options and then make sure the product data is checked, that the checkbox is checked, and then go to the section product layout. And here you can see that you can select a custom product page layout, a custom product layout, and then you can decide which product layout you want to choose. So now I click on update, and now this specific product has a different layout than the others. So now you know how to set one of the product page layouts to be your default setting by going to Flatsome Theme options, going to WooCommerce, and then to product page, and then you can assign one product page layout for all your products. You now also know that you can also assign this to a product category by going to products, categories, choose a product category, and then you can change it here. And then last but not least, you can also edit a specific product and change the layout by going to edit product, going to product layout, and then choose a custom product layout. So thank you for watching, and yeah, if you are interested in this template, you can use this for your Flatsome project. Even for existing projects, it's really nice to use and to see how it works. You can customize everything from the branding to the elements, and also all the pages. They're all ready for you, made with extra design care, and also having a focus on conversion. So at the end, we of course want to make sure you're making more sales with our design products. So thank you again, and if you like this, give a thumbs up on YouTube, and you can follow me on the YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye-bye.